The world is your home, Lord, our heart is your home. A heart full of love, Lord, my heart is your home. We are the children, children of Sai. 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 Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Love all, serve all is your call. Love if you can, hurt no one in despair. For you are the Father and we are the children, children of Sai. 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 Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. You have come to guide us all. Sachidananda Avatara. Guide us all, lead us all. Guide us all, lead us all. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. We love you, Father, show us the way. Sachidananda Avatara. We love you, Mother, show us the way. We love you, Mother, show us the way. Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. Sachidananda Avatara. Children of Sai. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमण्यव उतोत इषवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः। यात इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः। शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तयानस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छावदामसे यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहेगश्च सर्वाञ्जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयेमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीढुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वप अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुधे निशीर्य शल्याणां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः याते हेतुर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय व्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्रीणां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवेताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रुकाविभ्यो जिघागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षद्भ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्र्याय च शेभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरथाय च नमः शूराय चावबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूथिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिणे चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पथ्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्र्याय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नम उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च दूरे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्थ्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः शष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नम इरण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नम आनिर्हतेभ्यो नम आमीवत्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वेराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वेराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधेः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यधा च न शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहक्तृमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेढ्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भवा परमे वृक्ष आयुधन् निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहे विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधे सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे अस्मिन्महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेऽनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
गौरीनन्दन बालगजानन गौरीनन्दन बालगजानन गौरीनन्दन बालगजानन गजवदना गणनाथ गजानन गजवदना गणनाथ गजानन गजवदना गणनाथ गजानन गजवदना पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा देहि तव पद सेवा देहि तव पद सेवा देहि जगदीशा पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा देहि देहि तव पद सेवा देहि देहि तव पद सेवा पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा पूर्ण ब्रह्म सनातन स्वामी पूर्ण ब्रह्म सनातन स्वामी जय हे अंतर्यामी जय हे अंतर्यामी जय हे अंतर्यामी पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा
चन्द्रकलाधर साम्ब सदा शिव चन्द्रकलाधर साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो महादेवा शम्भो महादेवा शम्भो महादेवा शम्भो महादेवा शिव शम्भो महादेवा शिव शम्भो महादेवा ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय शांता दुर्गे शांत स्वरूपिणी शांता दुर्गे शांत स्वरूपिणी श्यामल कोमल मन मोहिनी श्यामल कोमल मन मोहिनी शांता दुर्गे शांत स्वरूपिणी आदि अनादि अनंत स्वरूपिणी आदि अनादि अनंत स्वरूपिणी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी नारायणी मुक्ति प्रदायिनी नारायणी मुक्ति प्रदायिनी नारायणी शांता दुर्गे शांत स्वरूपिणी श्यामल कोमल मन मोहिनी शांता दुर्गे शांत स्वरूपिणी आदि अनादि अनंत स्वरूपिणी आदि अनादि अनंत स्वरूपिणी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी नारायणी मुक्ति प्रदायिनी नारायणी मुक्ति प्रदायिनी नारायणी शांता दुर्गे शांत स्वरूपिणी अल्लाह भजो मौला भजो हे अल्लाह साई भगवान 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 राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान साई राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान नानक भजो गौतम भजो हे बुद्ध साई 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 भगवान ईशु भजो सौराष्ट्र भजो हे महावीर भगवान महावीर भगवान केशु भजो सौराष्ट्र भजो हे महावीर भगवान साई भजो शिरडी साई भजो हे शिरडी साई भगवान साई भजो शिरडी साई भजो हे शिरडी साई भगवान साई भजो शिरडी साई भजो हे शिरडी साई भगवान साई भजो शिरडी साई भजो हे शिरडी साई भगवान सत्य भजो सत्य साई भजो हे सत्य साई भगवान सत्य भजो सत्य साई भजो हे सत्य साई भगवान सत्य भजो सत्य साई भजो हे सत्य साई भगवान सत्य भजो सत्य साई भजो हे सत्य साई भगवान अल्लाह भजो मौला भजो हे अल्लाह साई भगवान अल्लाह भजो मौला भजो हे अल्लाह साई भगवान राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान नानक भजो गौतम भजो हे
शिवशङ्कर नमामि शङ्कर शिवशङ्कर शम्भो
हे शिव शङ्कर नमामि शङ्कर शिव शङ्कर शम्भो
हे शिवशङ्कर नमामि शङ्कर शिवशङ्कर शम्भो
हे शिव शङ्कर नमामि शङ्कर शिव शङ्कर शम्भो
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शङ्कर
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शङ्कर
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शङ्कर
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शङ्कर
भवानी शङ्कर
भवानी शङ्कर
हर भवानी शङ्कर
भवानी शङ्कर
शिवशङ्कर शम्भो
शिव शङ्कर शम्भो
शिवशङ्कर शम्भो
शिव शङ्कर शम्भो
शिवशङ्कर शम्भो
शिव शङ्कर शम्भो
हे शिवशङ्कर नमामि शङ्कर शिवशङ्कर शम्भो
हे शिव शङ्कर नमामि शङ्कर शिव शङ्कर शम्भो हे शिव शङ्कर नमामि शङ्कर शिव शङ्कर शम्भो हे शिव शङ्कर नमामि शङ्कर शिव शङ्कर शम्भो हे शिव शङ्कर नमामि शङ्कर शिव शङ्कर
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शङ्कर शिवशङ्कर शम्भो शिवशङ्कर शम्भो शिवशङ्कर शम्भो
श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्धबोध तु कंठ विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्मवस तु योग शक्ति तु यशोदा प्रभु तो रुद्र विष्णु तो राम कृष्ण तो रहे बटाओ तो रहे बटाओ तो वासुदेव ईश्वरो बधु चिदानंद हरि दो आत्मलिंग शिव दो आत्मलिंग शिव दो असतो मा सत्यमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया
Om Shri Sai Ram. In order to remember Bhagavan's teachings continuously and to become worthy instruments of our Divine Master, every member has to engage in sadhana, a spiritual discipline which has to be merged with his or her day-to-day life, and every member is encouraged to make his or her family as a unit for such sadhana. Thus, with the view to qualify to become a true member of the organization, the following guidelines are to be followed. Number 1, daily meditation and prayer. Number 2, group devotional singing or prayer with family members once a week. Number 3, participation in Sai spiritual education by children of the family. Number 4, participation in community service work and other programs of the organization. Number 5, regular attendance at the center's devotional meetings. Number 6, regular study of Sri Satya Sai Baba literature. Number 7, the use of soft, loving speech with everyone. Number 8, not speaking ill of others, especially in their absence. And number 9, Narayana Seva. Practice placing a ceiling on desires. Consciously and continuously strive to eliminate the tendency to waste time, money, food, and energy, and utilize the savings for service to mankind. Jai Sai Ram.
Offering my most humble pranams and prayerful salutations at the divine lotus feet of our most beloved Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, revered elders, dearest brothers and sisters, Om Shri Sai Ram, and welcome to this evening's devotional program coordinated by Sri Satya Sai Global Council South Africa. The thought for today, as written in Prashanti on the 9th of August 2025, as we observe Raksha Bandhan, an occasion to celebrate the sacred bond between a sister and a brother, Bhagavan lovingly explains what we can learn from the relationship between Krishna and Draupadi. One day, Satyabhama, Rukmini, Jambavati, and Draupadi saw blood oozing out of Krishna's finger. They could see this as they were all very near to Krishna. Servants could not see as they were not so near. Satyabhama immediately asked a maidservant to get a piece of cloth to tie around Krishna's finger, while Rukmini herself ran inside to get a piece of cloth. Draupadi at once tore the loose end of her sari and tied it around Krishna's finger. When Satyabhama and Rukmini saw this, they looked at each other to admire the devotion of Draupadi. They felt mortified and thought to themselves, "We don't have the love, devotion, and discretion that Draupadi has. We are only attached to Krishna's physical form, but do not really understand his needs." When Draupadi prayed to Krishna for help in time of trouble, Krishna remembered this incident and decided immediately that the time had come to reward her for the act of sacrifice she performed on that day. In this physical world, if you want to have something, you have to give something else in return. When you want to buy a handkerchief, you go to a shop, give the shopkeeper 10 rupees or so, and he gives you the handkerchief. You must offer something to God also to earn his grace. Even for your little offering, God will give you a bountiful reward. Divine Discourse, June the 30th, 1996. You should offer your love to God as the food that God loves. The Spiritual Self-Audit, the Sri Satya Sai Global Council South Africa, with the theme for the centenary year being Sadhana, the inward path, the journey from I to we to he. The self-audit has been shared on a national announcement for a few weeks now. And let us remember what Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba says: to get rid of demonic qualities, man has to embark on self-inquiry. Scriptural scholarship is of no avail in this inquiry. The transformation must take place within. People must have to ask themselves how they are using the time that is given to them. We are excited to share this spiritual self-audit, which has been circulated on our national announcements, which is a very interactive online experience. The tool is designed to help you grow spiritually one day at a time. Please do use the spiritual self-audit that is on our national website. You can record your daily spiritual actions with just a few clicks, build a streak and watch your consistency grow, see your progress over time, and join the leaderboard for a little extra motivation and inspiration. Sri Satya Sai Premataru. The Premataru program is currently running globally. EnviroCare teams across the globe are planting trees as a divine offering to Swami for this centenary birthday. We are overjoyed to announce that South Africa has been ranked the second place globally in terms of the number of trees planted. This program will run until South Africa has reached its target of 1 million trees. Let us continue to inspire, motivate, and plant as many trees as we possibly can and leave this earth a better place than we found it. Wheelchair Reuse Program. The National Go Green team would like to thank all devotees that have supported the Wheelchair Reuse Program. With Swami's Divine Grace, we have now loaned out 96 wheelchairs at no cost to needy recipients. There's still a huge need for wheelchairs, as sadly the demand is becoming greater than our supply. Devotees are encouraged to continue to support this program by donating their second-hand or new wheelchairs to be loaned out, spreading Swami's divine love to those in need. Please contact your regional Go Green champion for more details. Daily Veda chanting takes place at 5 a.m. in the mornings and 6:30 p.m. in the evenings. Please do be informed there is no Veda chanting on Thursday evenings. The link has been circulated on our national announcements. Sri Sathya Sai Global Council South Africa runs a national devotional program every Sunday from 6:35 p.m. beginning with Vedam chanting. Please do join by either joining the YouTube channel or subscribing to the YouTube channel or watching our YouTube page every Sunday from 6:35. Pray for healing. Many of our brothers and sisters are in need for prayer for healing. The group is operational and helping our brothers and sisters. Any request for prayer must be forwarded to Ratan@srisatyasai.sa.org, Yatish@srisatyasai.sa.org. During November of this year, the Sri Sathya Sai Global Council South Africa will be conducting the Sri Gayatri Mahayajnam to commemorate Sri Sathya Sai Shata Janma Mahotsavam, to celebrate the 100th birthday of our most beloved Bhagavan. In preparation of this, 6.5 million recitations of the Gayatri Mantra are required. To facilitate this process, we are encouraging and inviting all devotees of Sri Sathya Sai Global Council Africa to participate in this wonderful sadhana and offer this gift collectively to our most beloved Swami to mark his birthday celebrations. We have created an app, which is a web app, in which you can log your daily recitations of the Gayatri Mantra. Just click on the link that has been provided and play the audio and chant with Swami. You can chant wherever you are, whatever time of the day. It's completely up to you. And as Swami said, there's no time that you can chant the Gayatri Mantra that is specific for. So please do join us in this collective sadhana that we offer at the Divine Lotus Feet to mark his 100th year of Sri Sathya Sai. The video address for this evening is by Mr. Abhishek H. and it is part of the Oh My Sai series entitled The Answer Key to Every Test is Faith. After the video address, we will then offer Mangala Arati at the Divine Lotus Feet of our most beloved Bhagavan. We do pray that you have a safe and blessed week ahead under the divine umbrella of our most beloved Swami. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.
Love is God. Live in love. Live in love.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Welcome to OMS, Oh My Sai. I would like to recollect an incident which happened in my student days when I was studying MSc Physics here at Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, Prasanthi Nilayam. We were generally allowed to write 2 competitive exams during our tenure as an MSc student. And between the first year of MSc and the second year of MSc, these competitive exams were very tough. So I spent the summer preparing for these exams. I would not be a very academic student back then. I would focus more on singing for Swami. So I was always an above average student. So I knew that if I had to crack these exams, I would have to put in extra effort. So I spent the summer studying for them. And June of 2013 was when I was allowed to write this exam for the first time. And I was traveling to Bangalore, which was the center for this examination, from Prasanthi Nilayam. And on the way, there was a beautiful incident which I heard about how Swami helped Miss Geeta Mohan Ram during a particularly tough exam. Swami had given Vibhuti to her and then helped her clear that exam, which was particularly tough for her. So then I got a brainwave. Why don't I try this? This could work for me as well. So I went there to the exam hall. I always had a packet of Vibhuti in my pocket, in my purse. And that was the type of exam which was an optical marking response sheet, where for each of the questions you would be given 5 options and you had to circle the right option with a pencil. Why that detail is important will be shown through the incident. So once the answers had been written, I had marked whatever I knew, I had offered it mentally to Swami, and then I remembered this incident that I had heard just before coming to the exam, and I took that packet of Vibhuti and just sprinkled it all over the answer sheet and spread it. Now, logically, that wouldn't be a very nice thing to do, because if it marks some of the correct answers, then you would end up losing the mark for that answer. But that was not a time for logic. That was a time where my effort had been completed and it was time to offer my efforts to Bhagwan. And I just said, Swami, I don't know what is the outcome of this, but I'm just doing it in the faith that you will take care. I had completed the exam and I had come back to Prashanthi Nilayam, continued to take care of my studies and singing for Swami. A month after the exam, the answer key was released online. And while the exam was completed, they would give us a carbon copy of our answers so that when this answer key was released, we can go and check our answers and, pre-calculate how much we would be getting and all that. So this was an exam for about 200 marks overall. And year on year, the cutoff keeps changing, but on average, it would be around 75 or 80. That would be the cutoff for clearing one of the levels of this exam. And when the answer key was released a month after the exam, there was this strong thought that came into me that, Swami, I don't want to check the answer sheet now. I have written and offered it to you and I don't want to check it. Whatever you give me, that will be the best for me. And I offered it. All my classmates went online and checked their answers. They were pre-calculating that I would be getting this much, I would be getting this much. And I just decided not to do that. And a couple of months after that, when the actual results were released, I had noticed in the ranking list that I had got an All India rank of 52. And I wasn't expecting that rank particularly, but okay, I just accepted it as Swami's grace. Now this curious thought came in me, okay, what did I actually write? What have I marked? Let me go and check my score. And I remember this because some of my classmates who had checked their answers had said they had got around 72, 75. That was the range of the marks that they were getting out of 200. So now I was really curious. Some of my classmates who had not cleared the exam, they said they got 72. Now I should definitely go and check. And so after this rank had come, I remember so clearly, so vividly, that number stays in my mind. I had totaled all the answers and I got, with negative marking, I had got 63.125. This was the mark where some of my classmates had got around 72, 73 and they had not cleared the exam. Now, this was one moment where Swami revealed to me that just faith in him was more than sufficient. With 63.125 as the total marks calculated, it is not even logically possible that I would clear the cutoff and land an All India rank of 52. So realizing that moment was my OMS, where it is not logically possible to not even clear the cutoff but get an All India rank. And that was what that surrender meant to me. Not the moment where I applied Vibhuti and said I offered it. It was that moment where I decided not to check the answer sheet, the answer key which was released online, and said, Swami, whatever you have given me is sufficient for me. And probably I'll save this for a later episode. That rank, the category of that rank was so important for me to get that, to come back into Swami's Institute, to enroll for my PhD and also join as a teacher in Swami's college later on. So that moment where I said, Swami, my effort is done and I offer this to you. Whatever you give me is the best. And this OMS moment reminds me of a song. So in that song, it said, పిలచినంతని పలుకరించే ప్రేమ భావము నీవు. When you call out, he does respond. He does indeed respond. నీవే మా సర్వం, నీవే మా ప్రాణం. నీవే మా సర్వం, Swami. నీవే మా ప్రాణం. That moment when we surrender is when he responds. Thank you so much for this opportunity, Sai Ram.
जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे जय शिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपति स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपति आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका अपरतार्णव ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं पर्यन्तयो नीवे स्वामी पर्यन्तयो नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशरण ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप शिव साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।